Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of AI Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your email on SEMBLY AI account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your email on SEMBLY AI, firstly go ahead and open your SEMBLY AI application. The home page of SEMBLY will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the page. Tap on little gear icon right next to your profile name. From the pop-up, tap on Settings option. You will end up on the settings page of SEMBLY AI's account. Click on My Profile. From the Profiles page, click on Change right next to your email address. A mail will be sent to your email address by SEMBLY. Open your mail and tap on Changing Email link sent by SEMBLY. Tap on Change Email button. On the next page, enter your new email address and tap on Confirm. This is how you can change your email address on SEMBLY quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.